If you are a human being, then you might face stress, difficulties, and anxiety. And a majority of people don't know how to overcome stress, anxiety, or other struggle. Okay, these things cause cancer, heart attack, or other disease. So if you are a human being and you want to be happy, you want to lead a healthy and happy life, then you have to know how to handle this type of things. As a human beings, we have to face, or we have to go through this type of things every single day. If you have responsibility, if you are accountable for something, for someone, then you have to face stress, anxiety, or any other thing. Okay, so if you are not able to handle this type of things, then these things cause cancer, heart attack, or other disease. So you have to learn how to handle this type of things. Today I will share you how I overcome stress or anxiety, or how I handle stress or anxiety. These two things can make your life hell. So you must learn how to overcome this type of things. Okay, so now I'll share with you how I cope up with this problem. I believe on God. Okay, and if I face any problem, if I face any difficulties, then I think that this stress come from my God, and God is testing me. And I always tell myself when I feel anxiety or stress that something good is waiting for you. Don't worry. Try to handle this problem. Try to overcome this stress. Don't let anxiety or stress to dictate you, because once they start dictating your life, it will start destroying your life. Okay, so always believe in God and always try to handle every problem intelligently. And as I said, believe in God and consider that every problem comes from God, and do not let stress to make you weak. If you face any problem, if you face any stress, then just always think that this stress or this anxiety will not sustain longer. Okay, or will not stay longer, and something good is waiting for you or waiting for me. And that's how I handle stress. Otherwise, if you're not able to handle stress, this will totally occupy you, and it will make your life totally hell. Every person has their unique way to handle this type of things. Suppose I have my unique way. I have trust on my God, and I always consider every problem, every stress, that it comes from my God, and I have to cope up with this, I have to handle this, and something good is waiting for me. That's how I handle stress. Suppose you earned $1,000 by working so hard 1 month, but suddenly when you are returning home, you lost those $1,000. And a normal people, an ordinary people will fall in stress because he lost his 1 month earning that he earned by working so hard. An ordinary person will fall in stress, and that stress may ruin his life totally. And I learned so many people's stories that people are now mad because they could not handle stress. Accept every bad things that comes to your life or that you face. Okay, if you accept bad things, then you can easily overcome that bad things, and you can easily get good life, good moments in future. But if you could not accept the bad things, then it will be so hard for you to overcome stress or anxiety. So always consider stress or anxiety as a gift from God, and that is not going to stay longer or sustain longer. So be patient and try to handle the stress or anxiety.